We start because we dare. Driven not by what we've done, but by what's still to come. To start pushing limits, stop respecting them. Success is not measured in laps counted, but in minds changed and imaginations fired. Our history isn't something we observe. It's a challenge we strive to surpass. Slipping and learning, rising and winning. Until we've made history again. To start something, stop at nothing.
Gernot, Audi entering Formula One was a big statement, isn't it? It's beautiful. When you look at this race car, what does it represent?
Yeah, it represents a mindset shift we are making as a company right now. Formula One is about teamwork, bold calls, speed and development and execution, and total focus on performance. And that's exactly the mentality we are building at Audi.
And I've been following the current championship closely, even in person. And it's genuinely impressive that Audi has already managed to put points on the board so early on. How intense was the first phase?
Yeah, it was very intense. We came in as challengers. Every run, every issue turned straight into progress. That's Formula One and that's Audi.
The visibility is massive. The first race in Melbourne alone reached around 800 million. Yeah,
that's the power of Formula One. It gives us a truly global stage, also in China, where the sport is inspiring a new audience. That reach was a key reason for us to enter, but it's not just about exciting people for racing. We are using this platform to bring them into the Audi brand and our products.
And that impact goes beyond the racetrack.
Yeah, absolutely. Formula One amplifies our brand, attracts strong partners who believe in Audi, and creates impact far beyond motorsport. It accelerates our technology, our culture, and our global relevance. And for Audi, this journey has only just begun.
Teamwork, speed, and impact beyond the track. Audi F1 journey is just getting started. Thank you, Gernot. Thank you.
Thank you, Tim.
It's a change of mindset with teamwork, boldness, speed, and ultimate performance. It is the spirit of Audi. It's so impressive. It's taking scores very early on. With Melbourne, there are 800 million spectators or audience, and the new audiences are attracted in China, and it's also leveraged as an accelerator of a brand, culture, and development, and it's just the start of the journey.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.